Your data has so much to say, but are you listening to it? Cross-object reports in HubSpot might sound a bit technical, but trust me, they're a total game changer when it comes to understanding your business data. If you've ever found yourself wishing you could connect the dots between different parts of your business, like how your sales deals are influenced by customer support tickets or which companies are driving the most revenue, this is where cross-object reports step in to save the day. They let you combine data from multiple areas in HubSpot, like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets, to uncover insights you didn't even know you needed. Think of it like this. Instead of looking at your data in silos, cross-object reports lets you zoom out and see the bigger picture. It's like going from a single puzzle piece to the whole masterpiece. For example, you can track how many deals are tied to the companies in a specific industry, or figure out if unresolved support tickets are slowing down your sales. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding the story your data is trying to tell. The beauty of these reports is that they help you make smarter decisions. Imagine being able to spot trends like customers with multiple support tickets spending less on deals, and then using that insight to improve your processes. Or maybe you want to see which industries are bringing in the most revenue, so you can focus your efforts there. Cross-object reports give you the power to dig into these questions and find answers that actually move the needle for your business. Creating one of these reports in HubSpot is easier than you might think. You start by heading to the custom report builder, where you can choose the objects you want to analyze, like contacts and deals, or tickets and companies. HubSpot does a lot of the heavy lifting for you by linking the data based on existing relationships, so you don't have to worry about getting lost in the details. From there, you can add filters to narrow down your data, pick the metrics and properties you want to include, and even customize how the report looks. Whether you're a fan of bar charts, pie charts, or good old-fashioned tables, HubSpot's got you covered. The real magic happens when you start using these reports to answer the big questions. Want to know how customer support impacts sales? Done. Curious about which customers are driving the most revenue? Easy. Need to figure out why deals in a certain industry are stalling? You've got the tools to figure it out. It's all about connecting the dots and turning raw data into actionable insights. What makes cross-object reports even more exciting is how they help you focus on what really matters. Instead of drowning in data, you can zero in on the metrics that align with your goals. And because HubSpot makes it so easy to share and collaborate, your whole team can get on the same page. It's not just about creating reports, it's about creating clarity. At the end of the day, cross-object reports are all about helping you see the bigger picture. They're like a secret weapon for businesses that want to go beyond surface-level insights and really understand what's driving their success. So, if you're ready to take your reporting game to the next level, dive into HubSpot's tools and start exploring. Got questions? Confused about something? Or just want to say hi? Leave a comment below. Don't worry, we don't bite. And as always, happy HubSpotting.